Master, sometimes I feel like no matter how hard I try, nothing changes. I'm losing hope.
Hope is like the sun, my child. Even when clouds cover it, the sun never disappears. It's always there, waiting to shine again.
But I failed so many times. I set goals. I try to change, and then I fall back into old habits. How can I keep hope when I keep failing?
Imagine a seed planted in the soil. Does it grow into a tree overnight?
No, it takes time.
Exactly. The seed doesn't lose hope just because it hasn't sprouted yet. It trusts the process, even in the darkness of the soil. Your efforts are like that seed. Every step you take, even the small ones, is nurturing that growth, even if you can't see it right away.
But what if it never grows? What if I'm just wasting my time?
Exactly. The seed doesn't lose hope just because it hasn't sprouted yet. It trusts the process, even in the darkness of the soil. Your efforts are like that seed. Every step you take, even the small ones, is nurturing that growth, even if you can't see it right away.
But what if it never grows? What if I'm just wasting my time?
Hope is not about the guarantee of success, but about trusting the journey. You see, true hope doesn't come from the certainty of the outcome, but from the belief that you're moving forward. Even in moments of failure, you are learning. Even in setbacks, you are growing stronger.
So, it's okay to fail?
Failure is not the opposite of success, my child. It is part of it. Just as the night is part of the day, failure helps you grow and learn. Losing hope because of failure is like deciding the night will never end, but the dawn always comes.
But what if I don't see that dawn? What if I feel stuck, like I'll never get better?
The sun always rises, even when we cannot see it through the clouds. Sometimes you won't see the light, but it is there, waiting. Your journey may be long, and it may take many attempts, but every effort is a step forward. Even if the changes are not visible to you, they are happening.
I guess, but hope feels so hard to hold on to when nothing seems to change.
Hope is not something you hold tightly, like a rope in a storm. It is something you nurture, like the seed of a tree. It grows with your patience, your kindness to yourself, and your belief in the process. You never have to lose hope in life because hope is always inside you, waiting to be tended to.
So I just need to keep moving, even if I don't see the changes yet.
Yes, keep walking, even if the road feels long. Keep nurturing your inner strength, even when you don't feel it growing. Trust that in time, the tree will grow, the sun will rise, and your efforts will bear fruit.
I'll try, Master. I'll keep going.
Good. Remember, hope is not a destination, but a constant companion on your journey. It never truly leaves you as long as you keep moving forward.